How to activate two WhatsApp accounts in one WhatsApp app. So today I'll be guiding you to activate two WhatsApp accounts in one WhatsApp app in easy and simple way. Before that, make sure your WhatsApp Messenger app is up to date. If not, you can simply tap on update button and update your app so that you can enjoy the latest features and updates on your WhatsApp application. Then tap on the open button and then make sure to sign in on your existing WhatsApp account. Once you have done that, select the three dots at the top right corner of the screen and select the settings option to access your settings page of WhatsApp account. Once you get access to your settings page, you need to select the arrow icon which is at the top of the screen next to your username. Simply tap on it and then you'll find the option to add account, where after that you will reach on this page where you need to first of all select your preferred language by selecting the language button. And once you have done that, you can select agree and continue. And here you can easily enter your another device or another phone number that you wish to activate on this WhatsApp application. Once you enter the phone number, you will receive the code that you want to add on this page. And after that, when you add the code, then your number will be verified. Once your another number get verified, you can easily set up your profile by adding your profile picture or profile name. And once you activate another account on your same WhatsApp app, you can simply tap on three dots at the top right corner and there you will see switch account, where you can easily switch your account from one account to another account. So that is how we successfully activate two WhatsApp account in one WhatsApp app. So I hope this video was helpful. If it was, then do like, share and comment on this video. If you are new to our channel, then subscribe and press the notification bells so that you won't miss any updates from the channel. Thank you for watching and see you in the next video.